on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you revised your for loop and whatever we discussed in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second, beta. Just a second. I think some student is calling. Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes, what happened?
Nothing.
एक बार ये डोर ओपन कर देना. Yes, beta. Iteration of the statement. Okay. There were the two types of loops, while loop and for loop. We have already discussed about that. Okay. And we converted the same programs from while to for also. Okay. Then today we will discuss about, first of all, you need to do, let's say in the continuation we are reading that. Just a second. एक minute. Yes. Okay, see, are you able to see that example? For I in range 5 to 3 minus 1 is given there. Okay, if I'm telling you that all of you write a program to print the numbers from 1 to 10, what will you write? एक minute. Tell me, what will you write? For I in range, am I right? 1, comma, what will you write? 11. Because I'm printing the statement. Is this okay or not? Tell me, is this okay or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Have you revised that while loop and for loop?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why only single child is saying yes, ma'am? Raise your hand. Is this clear? Raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
I won't raise your hand. So that I can understand about it. That this point is clear or not? Yes, Arav, Vanshika, Aryan, Pragya. एक काम करो, सुनो. Hands down now. You will raise your hand only if you are unable to understand. Okay? Hands down. Okay, so that I can understand that. Aryan Sinha, is this clear? Okay. If you have any doubt, then raise your hand. Yes, Bhavya? Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, is this clear or not?
Ma'am, trying side by side.
Okay, because you joined late, na, so that's why I'm asking. And
Yes.
some more students also join late. Okay, if you have any doubt, then in between to this you can ask. Okay, for I in range 1 to 11, print I. It means what will be the including value in that? 1 to 10. It will take value 1 to 10, not the 11. Okay, it will take value 1 to 10. Then after that it will show that value 1 से लेकर 10 तक वो value show करेगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, not the 11. Okay, if I want that value in the reverse order, if I want that value in the reverse order, so that's why it will print in according to that. ठीक है, okay. One more thing I want to discuss with you कि let's say मेरे को ये वाला जो numbers है ये 2 के order में चाहिए. Comma 2 I am writing. Comma 2 I am writing. ठीक है? Is this okay? First of all, I was printing that statement 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. ठीक है? So the statement was like this. Statement कैसी थी बच्चों? 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ठीक है? अगर मैं if I am writing in this way, comma 2, I am writing 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Is this okay? In the order of 3, with the gap of 3 numbers, what should I write? Clear to all? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If we are printing like in this way, कि 4i in range 5 to 3 in the reverse order if I want. Okay, in the reverse order if I want. So I should write, यहाँ पर क्या लिखना चाहिए मुझे? Let's say मैं लिख रही हूँ 10 से comma. For the reverse order, I will print -1 here. 10, 9, 8, 7. This will be answer. This will be your answer. 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. According to that. So that's why we were discussing that point कि 4i in range 5 to 3 minus 1 in the range of -1. ठीक है? -4. Is this clear or not? Do it in your computers, all of you. Do it in your computers. Do it fast. All of you do it in your computer the same thing. I want the reverse number from 20 to 1. 20 to 1, I want the reverse order numbers with the gap of 2 to. Are you able to do? Try.
Ma'am, so we will write 0 in place of 3.
Sorry.
Ma'am, to get the order from 20 to 1, we will write 0 in place of 3.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I was saying, so we will have to write 0 in place of 3 for reverse order. Ma'am, for 1 to be printed.
22. Okay. ये लोग देखो ना. In this way, it was printing the values like in this way. कि if I am printing 10 to 5. If I am printing 10 to 5, then it is giving the values from 10 to. आपकी जो values है एक मिनट को. आपकी values क्या दे रहा है वो? It is giving the value 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. According to that 10 to 5 अगर मैंने लिखा है तो 5 को exclude कर रहा है वो. Okay, in the last question was also it was excluding that 11. 1 to 10, then 11 was excluding in that time also. Okay, so it is excluding that 5 also. So it is printing that value 10 to 6 and minus 1 is the value there. ठीक है बेटा? Is this clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please explain once again.
Yeah?
Ma'am, please explain it once again.
Which one? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm telling the value, it will explain according to there. If I'm writing 1 to 11, if I'm writing 1 to 11 instead of this, then it was printing the value 1 to 10. The 11, the outer bound was excluding. ठीक है? 11 को नहीं ले रहा था वो, 1 से 10 तक वैल्यूज को प्रिंट कर रहा था. ठीक है? If I'm printing the value in the reverse order, then I need to write in the reverse order the values in the reverse order 10 to 5. और जैसे let's say I'm saying to you also कि 20 to 10, 20 to 10. Okay, so it will present the value 20 से लेकर कहाँ तक प्रिंट करेगा वो? बोलो, if I am writing 20, हाँ, 20 to 10.
I will print in
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. 10 को exclude कर देगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Like in this way. Do it. Do the practice in your computer.
Ma'am, we want only even numbers in the output.
हाँ, अगर मुझे इवन नंबर्स चाहिए तो मैं क्या करूंगी?
Ma'am, we will write after for I in range, I is equal to I plus 1.
In the case of while, I will update that part. लेकिन फोर में तो डायरेक्टली हो रहा है ना. देखो मैंने -1 यहाँ पर गैप लिखा तो अपने आप ही आ रहा है. -2 का गैप लिखा तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट I need to decide. Okay, that how much gap is required for that. Okay. आशी इसको उधर लगा देना. ये चार्जर उधर. Done all?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
I have also sent, ma'am.
yeah?
Ma'am, I have also sent the syntax.
Okay. I'm just checking it. Wait. Send it there in the chat option, all of you. I will check it there.
Ma'am sent.
Okay. Going to check. Wait.
Ma'am, can we write this with while loop?
एक मिनट बेटा. Wait. Yeah, now see, this example is given here. We have the collection of in the fruits. This is okay. Have you done this? Have you done this? Firstly, I want to check that. Wait, because this is the more advanced form of that. So firstly, I want to know about it, that your concept is clear or not. Kanak has done. Arumita, एक मिनट रुको. Just checking it from my mobile. Yeah, Kanak, Arumita, Devansh, Aryan Sinha, Shivansh, Vanshika, Agnish, Aishwarya, Arav Sharma. Only these people have done. What about rest? Are you doing or have you done? But it is with you.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, can we do this with while loop also?
You can do this with the while loop also. In fact, you should try. You should try. Do this with the while loop also. The same. Do it.
Ma'am, I tried, ma'am, but it's not.
Send me the. If it is not working, send me the answer. Do it with the while loop, the same thing.
Ma'am, it's without the gap of two.
No issues. All of you, you should try. Is Drishan Malik is here? Drishan? Okay.
Ma'am, syntax is coming again and again. I'm trying.
So send me in the chat option. Then I can check, no?
Okay.
Who is this? Vanshika?
Ma'am, Bhavya.
Bhavya.
Ma'am, I have sent in the chat option with while loop, but ma'am, it's not in the backward counting.
Share the screen with me, Bhavya. Share the screen.
Ma'am, I'm doing it on another device, so I can't.
Rest. The rest students, have you done that? Okay, one more query, beta. At last, okay, you can try with that also. I want to ask something else from your class also. With the last question, have you done the while loop? Are you able to do? Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Kindly share that program with a while loop also.
Send.
Yeah. Sent. I'm going to check that with the yes. Okay, Aishwarya has done. Good. Arumita has done. Shashwat Tiwari has also done. Okay, this is okay. Fine. Yeah. If anyone who is facing any doubt in that, then these questions are that Aishwarya and Arumita and Shashwat has done. So you can check that from there also. Okay. Agnish is also done. Okay. So you can check the same question from there, all of you, and do it fast. Key instead of 4, if you are putting your while there. Okay. Bhavya is also done. Yes. Okay. Now iteration part, I'm just, we are discussing the another things here. Okay. Beta, this is called the list. This is called the list. You can make the list in your Python also. Actually, we have not started that particular point or that particular topic. Right now, we are not starting that. Only we will discuss about the few points about that. Yes.
Ma'am, I was asking what is the code for writing, ma'am, in reverse in while? Ma'am?
Yes. Tell again.
Ma'am, I was asking what is the code for writing numbers in reverse in while?
Import for writing?
Ma'am, for writing the numbers in reverse, ma'am, for loop, we wrote them, ma'am, -1 at the last. So what is there for while?
But students have done that now, so that's why I was saying कि these things you can check that point also. There will be the updation point separately. Okay, there will be the separately. Actually, एक मिनट रुको जरा. I'm just trying to open that. Actually, कुछ ये open नहीं हो पा रहे हैं बच्चों के, so that's why I'm just checking their files in the mobile only. ये देखो. हाँ, see. Is this visible to you? एक मिनट. हाँ. Is this visible to you? The Shivansh has done some question.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see that on the
Yes,
screen?
ma'am.
Okay. Here the answer is given there. If we are writing from 1 to 20, what will you write? You will take I equals to 1. If I is less than or equals to 20 or 21, you will write according to that. Print I, then I equals to I plus 1. Is this okay? But instead of that, you are writing, if you want it in the reverse order, you will write that Sashwat has done that कि I equals to 20 उसने लिख दिया, लेकिन 20 क्या बड़ा है और equal है 0 से. So it is printing that and decreasing that order also side by side. Okay, ये देखो आकांक्षा का भी आ गया screen share. You can do in this order also. एक मिनट. This is also okay, लेकिन there will be the confusion. Just wait. किसी का अगर बच्चे ने वैसे लिखा ना तो फिर ये देखो भाव्या ने किया. ये देखो. See, in this way you can check that. In the reverse order, for presenting in the reverse order, you can write in this way कि x equals to हमने 20 लिया क्योंकि हमें reverse order में चाहिए. So that's why the first number I am taking 20. While x is greater than or equals to 0, क्योंकि 0 क्या होगा? Exclude हो जाएगा. So it will take number up to 1. 20 से लेकर 1 लेगा. लेकिन 20 से लेकर 1 तक अगर आपको प्रिंट करवाना है तो आप क्या करवाओगे? उसमें डिक्रीज ही तो करोगे वैल्यूज. Okay, so that's why she is writing x minus n equals to 2. अगर 1 1 का डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर चाहिए, so instead of this you can write x minus n equals to 1. x minus n equals to 3. It is same as, आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो x equals to x minus 2, x equals to x minus 3, x equals to x minus 4. Is this clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
To all of you? ठीक है? चलो. Yeah. The next question with the range and the length. Range, so we have already understood. Like in this question, we were putting the range there. For I in range, it means it will specify a particular range. Whatever we are doing using the for loop. Okay. The range it will explain. It will explain about the range. Now we are explaining about the list here. We are explaining about the list here. Okay, so what will be the use of the length? If we want to put the value of the length, let's say if we have given the 3 numbers here. Okay, we are finding the length of that particular range. हमने कितने नंबर्स दिए हैं उसको? 5 नंबर्स दिए हैं. लेट्स से 5 नंबर्स की जो रेंज होगी वो क्या होगी? 5 होगी. If we are given the number कि 10 से आपका 15 तक नंबर दिए हैं, तो what will be the length there? This is the range. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, this is the, I am just giving 10 to, you need to print the range 10 to 15. How many values will it print? 10 to 15 I am writing. Values कौन सी values आएंगी बताओ? 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Is this okay? 15 will be excluded. So how many values will be print? Count करके बताओ.
5.
5 values.
in
It will
minus
print
5.
5 values here. So 5 will be range there. Sorry, 5 will be length there. Is this okay? 5 will be length there. So that's why it is telling about the same thing. Ki if we are taking a particular collection here, ki fruits equals to banana, apple and mango, right? For index in range. For index in range, length of the fruits. Length of the fruit कितनी आएगी उसकी? 3. 3 will be the length of the fruit और उसको वो display करवाएगा. Kindly leave it. I have explained that. We need to give some more example for that. Wait. क्योंकि at last we will explain it once again. It is taking some index values also. It is taking some other values also. So wait for that. Otherwise there will be the confusion. This is, I'm very sure that this is okay. For loop with the else. For loop with the else. The previous, I will explain it with the example of code example once again. Okay. For I in range. If we are not writing that part. Okay. हम ये नहीं लिख रहे हैं. We are writing only this part. What will be the answer? For I in range 1, 4, print I. It will show 1, 2, 3. It will show 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now executed. Because no break in. अब ये देखो. Else. No break. Where will be the no break? After executing that part. ठीक है. हमने क्या किया? For loop लगाया. Else लगाया. Else का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of else? Otherwise. Otherwise. Here we are not giving a particular condition here. Not giving a particular condition here. We are putting a particular range here. कि 1 से लेकर 3 तक print करवाएं. So it is printing the values 1 to 3. Then after that, after solving that part, whenever it is coming out of that loop, in the else statement, it is printing no break. It is printing no break. ठीक है. 1 से 3 तक उसने प्रिंट किया. उसके बाद no break करके वो बाहर आ गया. If we want to give something in the else option also. In the next class, we will do the nested only. So you should try these programs. Try this one also in your computer.
Ma'am, when will you take the test you told about?
For और while का test लूँगी मैं सबसे पहले. And the
Ma'am,
next class. हाँ.
Next class only.
हाँ. And from the chapter flow of control, the control statement which is given in your book, kindly do that example. Kindly do that example. Okay, in your computers, all the examples, the solved and the unsolved examples of for and while you need to do in your computers. ठीक है?
In case there was a condition for the for else loop, will it first complete the condition and then print it, or it will not print it because it will still be completing the for statement?
Which one? Else one?
From the for else, if in case there was a condition.
Aishwarya, can you tell again, beta?
Ma'am, in the for else loop, if there was a condition, will it still print the else?
तुम्हारी voice ठीक नहीं आ रही है. In the for loop, are you asking?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या?
If there was a condition, will it still print the else statement?
No, there was not any condition there. We are printing only else there. Because for applying the condition, we always use, हम क्या use करते हैं? If. if ही तो यूज करते हैं for applying that condition. ठीक है, here I am giving a loop here. और loop का काम क्या है? If we are giving a repetitive statements again and again, okay, if we are giving some repetitions again and again, for that purpose we are giving the for loop there. So definitely according to the given order, it will print that statement according to the repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, according to that it will print that statement. But we are giving else with it. After executing that part, after executing the shaded part, whenever it will come out of the loop, then I have given else statement, otherwise. So it is printing no break also there. Okay? There is not, इसका कोई particular use नहीं है. If you want to put the else separately, then you can put. You should understand that.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, yeah. How many students are here? I'm just checking your attendance. Wait. Akansha Sharma is here.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Yeah, Arav Grewal. Arav Grewal. Okay, I'm marking absent for Arav Grewal. Arav Sharma. Agnish. Agnish. Agnish, are you here? Aishwarya Gopinath.
Present, ma'am.
Anshika. Anshika. Arumita.
Present, ma'am.
Arya. Bhavya. Bhavya Bhardwaj. Bhavya Mishra. Daman.
Present, ma'am.
Devansh.
I'm Aryan Sinha presenter.
Okay, thank you. Dishita. Dishita.
Present, ma'am.
I can't. Stop sharing that. So that's why I can. Yeah. Yes, you can leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got disconnected during the attendance. Please mark me present.